Hello my dear children. So this is the topic. We will take questions related with the rate law, mechanism, order and molecularity. Right on the first question is NO plus O2 double headed arrow NO3. Today the first step is fast. In our last lecture our first step was slow. Today the first step is fast. Next is NO3 plus NO arrow NO2 plus NO2. This step is slow. The question is write the mechanism. Write the mechanism. Now the first step, right? This is a mechanism given, and this is the mechanism given. The question is write the rate equation. Not mechanism. Write the rate equation. This is mechanism. In a mechanism, the first step is fast and the second step is slow. Write the rate equation. Now, when the first step is fast, that it is K and it is your K dash. Constants are given. When the first step is fast and the second is slow, then the question will take 2 or 3 steps. Write down, apply. First step is apply law of mass action on the fast occasion. First step is apply law of mass action. K is equal to product concentration NO3 divided by reactant concentration NO and O2. So this is the first step. When the first step is fast, the second is slow. Always apply law of mass action on the fast occasion. Now what you will do? Second step is, now you will calculate the value of the product which is coming out from the fast step and going to add in the slow step. Again listen, which product is coming out from the fast step and going to add in the slowest step, and that is very much clear, NO3. That means we will calculate the value of NO3 from this. Your answer is NO3. From here you will calculate the value is equal to K into NO and O2. Okay. Next step is, now write down a rate equation from the slowest step. R is equal to K dash NO3 and NO. That I written from the slowest equation. Put the value of, put NO3 concentration in the above equation. Now you can put and the answer will come. Put NO3 concentration R is equal to K into K dash, a new constant K double dash. What is the value of NO3? Put in first equation. This is written first equation. Above equation means first equation. So R is equal to K double dash into NO into O2. This is your NO3 concentration, and next is NO. Simplify it. Your answer come R is equal to K double dash. NO is 2 times NO square into O2. So remember, this is a way. I will take one more example. Now write down the next second question of today's lecture is second question. Now again write the rate equation NO plus O2 arrow NO3. The first step is slow. Next is NO3 NO plus half O2 arrow NO2. The second step is fast. And remember, when the first step is slow and the second is fast, the answer is of one line. Write R is equal to K NO and O2. When the first step is slow and the second is fast, then it is a very much simple question. You make a rate equation from the slowest step. Right, and question number 3. Question number 3 is, now the third question. Now write down your A2 arrow, O3. Third is O3 arrow, O2 plus O. Now again the first step is fast, O3 arrow, O2 plus nascent O plus O3 arrow 2 O2. The second step is slow. So you can write it is K, it is K dash. So when the first step is fast, the second is slow. Write down apply law of mass section. Apply law of mass section on fast occasion. Your answer comes K is equal to O2 concentration into O concentration divided by O3 concentration. Okay, this is the way. Now what you will do now go to the slowest one. R is equal to K dash into O into O3. That is the rate equation we have written from the slowest step. Now you can check which product is coming out from the fast and going to add in the slow. Now you can check, this is your nascent O. It is coming out from the fast and going to add into slow. In the fast, 2 of the products are coming, O2 and O, but you can see the O is added in the slow step. So you calculate the value of O. This is a nascent O. It is equal to K into O3 divided by O2. So put this in equation 1. Let this your equation 1. Put the value of O in equation 1. O means oxygen, nascent oxygen. The answer comes R is equal to K double dash. Your oxygen concentration is, it is your O3 by O2. O3 by O2. And next is O3. This is your O3. And you simplify it, your answer is R is equal to K double dash O3 square into O2 minus 1. So this is very simple. Always remember, when the first step is slow, second is fast, then it is very easy to find the rate equation direct from the slowest step. But when the first step is fast, second is slow, then the question related with 2-3 steps. If the mechanism is of the 3 steps and first 2 steps are fast and the third is slow, add first 2 fast steps, make it 1 fast step, and again apply law of mass section. Now I am taking your next question is, again I am taking your, this is a question, it is A2 arrow A plus A, write down fast, A plus B2. I will not take, you can attempt at your home, just I am giving you a hint, AB plus B, slow. And the third, this is the third step, 3 steps mechanism. This is your again fast. So what you will do, the first step is fast, second is slow, third is fast. That is you will not consider the third fast step. You can attempt the answer of this question by same method, apply law of mass section on fast, then calculate the value of A, that is from the fast, that is applied, that where you have applied the law of mass section, and put the value in the same way that I have taken 2 questions. This is the answer. You can write the answer, you can attempt at your home. The answer to this question is R is equal to K double dash into O2 power half and B2. It's the answer. So you will ignore this third step, consider only 2 steps, fast and slow. Apply law of mass section, answer will come R is equal to K double dash A2 power half and B2. Now I am taking next, again to attempt at your home, write down A2, it is A2 arrow A plus A, it is your first step, Next is A plus B2, arrow AB plus B. It is again fast. Next is A plus B, arrow AB. It is slow. Now the last question is, first two steps are fast. You will add these two steps, make it one fast step. And same method, apply law of mass action on the addition that you have added. The one step will come from these two fast steps. You add these two fast steps, make it one, apply law of mass action, then calculate the value of the product which is the coming out from the fast and going to add in the slow. Now you can write the answer of this question as well. It is R is equal to K A2 square B2 square B2 square AB per square A per and B minus 1. It's quite lengthy. R is equal to K A2 square B2 square AB minus 2 A minus 1 and B minus 1. So this is all about the finding rate equations. Now you attempt these two questions at your home. Now I'm taking the next question is, write down, a reaction is first order with respect to A. I will tell. A reaction is first order with respect to A and second order with respect to B. Okay? First order with respect to A and second order with respect to B. The question is, how is the rate affected when both concentration increased 3 times? Now this is your first equation, make it R1, equation 1. Now what is the effect on the next rate when the concentration increased 3 times, 3A and 3B whole square? The answer is, you divide these two equations, R2 by R1, your K cancel, A cancel, B square cancel. Your answer is 3 power 2 and 3, that is 27. So it is R2 is equal to 27 R1. So the new rate is 27 times more than the old rate. R2 is equal to 27 R1. So there are many type of questions. I am taking the next questions. Now my next question is, in the NCERT, in the exercise there are many types of this question. The question is, the rate of the reaction is halved. The rate of the reaction is halved when the volume is doubled. Now remember student, when the volume is doubled, the question is the volume is doubled. Remember, when the volume is doubled, the concentration becomes half. When the volume is tripled, the concentration becomes 1 by 3. Now question is, when the volume is doubled, you will see the volume is doubled, the concentration becomes half. So that you will write. Now question is, what is the rate of the reaction become half? Your answer is R is equal to K A power N. We have to find the order. So the question is, the rate become half. That is R by 2. It is written. The rate become half when the volume is doubled. You will see R by 2, it is given, the rate is half. It is K and the volume is doubled, means concentration become half, A by 2. So you divide these two equations, R and R by 2. So you divide these two equations, your answer will come. What is the answer? K cancel, A cancel. Your answer is 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 power N. So you can make it 1 by 2 power N. So answer is N is equal to 1. So it's first order. So R by 2, that is, if you divide these two equations, your RR cancel, your KK cancel, AA cancel. So answer comes 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 power N. Bases are same, N is equal to 1. So the reaction is your first order. Now I am taking your that is numerical number next. Numerical number next is, so many types of numericals are there. Now I'm taking your question is, the question is the 2NO, question is 2NO plus O2 arrow 2NO2. The question is, if the volume is reduced to 1/3, volume is, the question is, volume is reduced to 1/3. Volume is reduced to 1/3. You know, when a volume is reduced to 1/3, the concentration is increased 3 times. 3 times. The question is, what is the rate? What is the new rate? The answer is R is equal to K NO square into O2, 1. This is R1. So R2 is equal to K. Concentration become 3 times. 3 NO into 3 O2 power 1 and 2. Your answer is, we cancel. Answer is R2 by R1. K cancel. NO cancel. 3 power 2, 9 and 3. Your answer is R2 by R1 is equal to 27. The answer is new rate is 27 times more than the old rate. So this is questions related to the rate law and your mechanisms, orders. So many questions related to these topics. I will send you assignment. From the assignment you can solve this question. Any problem you come face, you can send me by mail. Now write down the next topic is very small topic I am taking, initial rate method. Open the NCERT books, exercise initial rate method. This method is used to find the order of reaction. It's a direct and numerical form. So I'm taking the numerical from NCERT. Write down. Your numerical number is, this is your NCERT book. Your numerical is 10, 11 and 12. Note down, 10, 11 and 12 numericals are of initial rate method. I'm taking one by one. Your first question is, it is 2A. I'm taking numerical number 11 first. 2A plus B arrow C plus D. This is the occasion given. Open the numerical number 11. So many experiments are given. 1, 2, 3, 4 experiments are there. And the concentration of A is given. In the experiment number 1, concentration of A is 0.1, 0.3, 0.3 and 0.4. In the B, that is B concentration, the concentration of B is 0.1, 0.2, 0.4 and 0.1. Now initial rates are given. Initial rates are 6 into 10 raised to power minus 3. First is, even units are given, mole per liter per minute. 7.2 into 10 raised to power minus 2. The third is 2.88 into 10 raised to power minus 1. And the fourth is 2.4 into 10 raised to power minus 2. The question is, calculate rate constant, calculate order, write rate equation. Very simple way. There are 3 numericals of the same topic. Now I am taking how to attempt this. Let us start the numerical. Write on the first step is R is equal to K, A power X and B power Y. You have to calculate X and Y. X and Y are the orders of reaction. This is the first step. You will write R is equal to K, A power X and B power Y. The first question is find the orders. Let us put the values one by one. Write down experiment number 1. Rate is 6 into 10 raised to power minus 3 is equal to K, 0.1 power X, 0.1 power Y. This is your first. I'm going to rub it. Next is, second 7.2 into 10 raised to power minus 2 is equal to K, 0.3 power X, 0.2 power Y. The third is 2.88 into 10 raised to power minus 1 is equal to k 0.3 power x and 0.2 power y. Next is the fourth is 2.4 into 10 raised to power minus 2 is equal to k 0.4 power x and 0.1 power y. So you know you have 4 locations, you have put the values. After that, what you will do? You will divide those 2 occasions in which the concentration of one of the reactant is same. Now you can check A concentration is same in your occasion number 2nd and 3rd, 0.3, 0.3. Write down divide occasion 3 by 2. So when you will divide occasion 3 by 2, the answer will come 2.88 into 10 to the power minus 1 divided by 7.2 into 10 to the power minus 2. K cancel, 0.3x will cancel. You can write k by k, 0.3 power x, 0.3 power x, and divided 3 by 2. Next is 3, 0.2, somewhere I've done wrong, I'm going to correct it, 0.4 it is 0.4. So it is 0.4 power y and 0.2 power y. Now this is the way I'm writing 0.4 here, it is 0.4 given. Now I'm taking, now when you will divide these 2 occasions, k cancel, 0.3x cancel, and this will, after calculation, answer will come, after dividing these 2 occasions, your answer will come 4 is equal to 2 power y. You can check 4 and 2, 2 to 4, that is 2 power y. So your 4 is equal to 2 power y. It becomes 2 square is equal to 2 power y. That comes y is equal to 2. 4 is equal to 2y. 2 square is equal to 2y. Your answer is y is equal to 2. Okay. Now what you will do? Now you will divide those 2 occasions where the value of b is same. Now you can check in the first occasion and in the fourth occasion the value of the b is same, that is 0.1. Now you can write divide occasion 4 by 1. So let us start. 2.4 into 10 to the power minus 2 divided by 6 into 10 to the power minus 3. Your k divided by k, and it is your 0.4 power x and divided by, it is 0.1 power x, and what would y? Y cancels because in both sides it is 0.1 y and 0.1 y. So answer will come after dividing these 2 occasions. Your answer will come. It is 4 is equal to k cancel, y and y cancel, it is 4x. So answer is 4 power 1 is equal to 4 power x. So x is equal to 1. So in this way you can calculate the order of reaction. Let us fill it in the end. R is equal to k, A is 1 and y is 2, because x is 1 and y is 2. Student, this is the rate occasion. This is the rate occasion. If anybody asks you what, calculate the rate constant, k is equal to r, a power 1 and b power 2. So you can put any of the occasions 1, 2, 3, 4. That the 1 is, in case of first occasion, the rate is 6 into 10 raised to power minus 3. In the same occasion, you will take the values of A and B. 0.1 power 1 and 0.1 power 2. In this way you can calculate the value of k. So this is a rate constant. Either you can put first occasion, second, third or fourth, the k will come same. And what is the order of A and B? Individual 1 and 2 and overall 1 plus 2. It is 3. This question is completed. That is question number is 11. Now I am taking last question 10. In the 10th question you can write A. A concentration is 0.2, 0.2 and 0.4. The concentration of B is 0.3, 0.1 and 0.05. Okay. Now taking the rates, initial rates are not. Initial rates are 5.0107 into 10 raised to power minus 5. Same 5.07 into 10 to power minus 5. And the third time 1.43 into 10 raised to power minus 4. The question is, it is calculate the order with respect to A and B. That means R is equal to K, A power X and B power Y. This is the aim. Let us calculate X and Y value. First of all, put the values. First equation is R. Your R is 5.07 into 10 raised to power minus 5 is equal to K, A power 0.2 power X and B is 0.3 power Y. Make it equation 1. Okay, now this is all. First is gone now. Now coming to the second. Second is also 5.07 into 10 raised to power minus 5 is equal to K, 0.2 and 0.1. Write down 0.2 power X, 0.1 power Y. Make it equation number 2. Third is, the third rate is 1.43 into 10 raised to power minus 4 is equal to K, 0.4 power X and 0.05 power Y. Make it equation number 3. Now you have 3 equations. 1, 2, 3. Now your first step is find out in which occasion the value of A is same. Now you can check the value of the first reactant, that is A, is same in the first and the second occasion. So you divide occasion 2 by 1. Write down. Divide occasion 2 by 1. Your answer will come 5.07 into 10 to the power minus 5, 5.07 into 10 to the power minus 5, K by K, it is your 0.2 power X, 0.2 power X and your we have divided occasion 2 by 1, so it is better to divide 1 by 2, so that fraction will not come. 0.3 power Y and 0.1 power, that is Y. You divided first by 2, one and the same thing. Now it cancels. This means it's 1 is equal to K cancel, 0.2x cancel. Your answer comes 3 power Y. So 1 is equal to 3 power Y. Make the bases same. It is 3 power 0 is equal to 3 power Y. So 1 means 3 power 0 is equal to 3 power Y. That means your answer is Y is in 0 order. So Y is 0 order. Y is 0. Let us start. Now divide occasions, those which have B concentration same. Now you can check, in no case the concentration of B is the same. It is different in each. First 0.3. Now you can divide any of the occasions. Write down. Divide 3 by 1 or by 2. That is your wish. but 3 by 1. The answer is 1.43 into 10 to the power minus 4 divided by 5.07 into 10 to the power minus 5 is equal to k, and k it is your 0.4 power x and 0.2 power x, and it is your 0.05 power y and 0.3 power y. Now what you will do, students, you will write divide 3 by 1 or divide 3 by 2 and specially write and put y is equal to 0. We have calculated y 0, so you put y is equal to 0. The moment you will put y 0, this will vanish. Nothing left. Y 0 means 1. Power 0 is equal to 1. K cancel. Your answer will come 2 power x. And in this case, your answer will come in fraction. So attempt at your home. After taking, then you take log on both sides. So it's very easy to calculate. So what you will do now, you can do this calculation. Whatever the value come here, you will write after calculating. And then how will you do the calculations? Then you will write taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. Let it is your x. Let the value after calculation, it is x. You will write taking log on both sides. So it's log x. X is the value. And after that x log 2. Calculate x. Because log 2 is 0.3010 into x. And whatever your log x will come, you can write here and find the x. Your x will come in fraction. My dear student, order of the reaction is 0 order, maybe in 0 order or maybe in a fraction. So this completed your topic initial rate method. So only one numerical, that is of exercise. The next one you can attempt at your home. So this is all about today's lecture. Next lecture we will take tomorrow. Thank you.